Hi guys, I hope you're all doing good today. So, as you can see right here, this is my Wltoys 12428, which as you can see quite used up already, and I have plenty of fun using it. But I guess last time that I used this one, while I was trying to play it outside, I was playing in the sand, okay, and I noticed after like maybe 2 to 3 minutes of continuous bashing, and I felt that something's wrong, and actually the wheels in the front are not turning anymore. There's no movement at all when I'm trying to turn with the while I was trying to turn from the transmitter. It didn't turn left or right. Doesn't work. So I switched off the car and see what's going on. Try to restart. I tried to turn it on again, but same thing. Nothing is happening from the steering. It doesn't turn anymore. So my my initial reaction was probably servo was broken. Well, I tried to check some parts online here in the UAE, and I tried if we can find some cheaper options, because always we go for the cheaper options, because okay, sometimes when you buy some things from online, it turns out that it's not working. But this time we will test our luck and see if we will be able to get a cheap one that works. So I'll show you some clips on how I ordered it. Then after that I will be showing you how I fixed my buggy, and I was trying to check some videos on YouTube on how the other guys were trying to fix their buggy, and how they tried to replace the servo. And good thing there's lots of videos on YouTube. So now I will show you guys how I did it. At the end of the video, you will see that I was able to fix my car and be able to play it again. Okay, so guys, in my case, what I did is I tried to order from noon.com, and first I tried to search in Google for a Wltoys 12428 servo, and as you can see, it's showing now some options, and I picked the one from noon.com. It's super cheap, and I tried to order it, and actually the delivery it took like maybe, I think in 3 days it was delivered already. Okay, so that's how I ordered mine from online, and the next video that I will show you is how I fixed my new servo into our buggy. Okay, so first thing you have to do is to remove the body of the car. So there are some screws that you need to remove first, which is I will show you. So you need to remove the ones on the roof. You have 2 screws right here. You have to remove that. Then this screw right here, which you can see the number 3. Below that there's another set of screws, left and right, so you have to remove that. Then another one right here in the front, you have to remove that as well. So now from the bottom part of the chassis, we have to remove 4 screws here and 2 more here. Okay, so now as you can see right here, our RC body was already removed, and we can see now the parts, the AC, the motor, and everything. We can see right now, and we can now remove the old servo and replace it with the new one that we purchased online. Okay, so now we disconnected the wire of the servo from the ESC, and we have this new servo right here. So right here I'll just try to connect the wire and see if our new servo will work. Okay, so we have our transmitter here. We will try to turn on together with our RC, and we'll see if the new servo will work. Okay, so you can see that the servo is moving, and it actually works, which is great. And we can now see, and it's moving. So now after this one, we will try to put everything in its place, and yeah, I'm so happy that it worked. Okay, so now we have to remove the old servo, and right here I'm pointing the screw that we have to remove. Then we can remove the old one. This is how it looks after removing the old servo, and this one we're going to throw it away now. It's no use at all. Okay, so we have to transfer the thing that was connected from the old servo into the new one, so we can install it properly. Okay, so now you can see that we were able to put back the new servo, and we put again the screws back, and now I'm testing it again if it's turning properly. And after that, we will put the body cover back and try to bash this thing again. Okay, so you can see now that our servo is working properly. Maybe not the best servo available, but at least now we can play our buggy again outside, and I'm so glad that I was able to fix it. Okay, so there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video on how to replace the servo of this Wltoys 12428. And see you guys in the next coming videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys.